All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
India's nuclear submarine program is gaining momentum to counter the Chinese Navy, already the world's largest. By 2036, India is expected to have its first indigenous nuclear attack submarine. Additionally, Project INS Varsha, a dedicated base for nuclear submarines, is set to become operational within the next 2 years. India's Navy Chief, Admiral Dinesh Tripathi, has confirmed that the country's first indigenous nuclear attack submarine is expected to be ready by 2036, with the second following within 2 years. This marks the first official statement regarding the nuclear attack submarine program, SSNs. The project, covering the first 2 submarines, is estimated to cost 35,000 crore rupees, $4.5 billion. Naval sources also told the Eurasian Times that INS Varsha, India's dedicated nuclear submarine base, is expected to become operational within 2 years. This facility will serve as a hub for the Indian Navy's current and future submarines. India's nuclear attack submarine project. In October 2024, the Cabinet Committee on Security, CCS, chaired by the Prime Minister, approved the construction of 2 indigenous nuclear attack submarines. The Indian Navy requires 6 such submarines. Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi, during the annual press conference on 2 December, described the project as a game changer. He emphasized that it would enhance the Indian Navy's operational capabilities and bolster the defense manufacturing ecosystem, marking a significant milestone for the Make in India initiative in the next 5 years. He also told that the submarine program will mirror the successful model used in India's nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarines, SSBN, project, where the Navy took the lead in design and worked closely with the defense industry for manufacturing. This approach, as seen with the Arihant nuclear submarine, SSBN, program, led to the creation of 2 nuclear-armed submarines. The project will involve multiple indigenous stakeholders, including the Bhabha Atomic Research Center, BARC, the shipbuilding centers, design agencies, and private sector partners. These entities will play a crucial role in developing India's first nuclear attack submarine, which is expected to join the Navy's fleet by 2036-37. India's nuclear submarine fleet. Currently, India operates 16 diesel-electric powered submarines and 4 nuclear-powered submarines. INS Arihant, India's first indigenous nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine, SSBN, commissioned in August 2016. INS Arigat, India's second SSBN, commissioned on 29 August 2024 by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. In the past week, the K-4 ballistic missile fired from INS Arigat has raised concerns in both China and Pakistan. The successful missile launch was officially announced by Navy Chief Dinesh Tripathi. INS Aridhman, the third SSBN, set to be commissioned next year. S4*, codename India launched its 4th SSBN at the Shipbuilding Center, SBC, in Visakhapatnam in October 2024. INS Varsha House for Nuclear Submarines. As reported by the Eurasian Times, India is making significant strides in building a dedicated base for its nuclear submarines, i.e. INS Varsha. This underground base is located near the coastal village of Rambilli in Andhra Pradesh, approximately 70 kilometers from the Visakhapatnam Naval Base. It is expected to become operational within the next 2 years. India has long recognized the need for a stealthy naval base capable of housing nuclear attack submarines. The second phase of Project Varsha has been delayed since 2010 due to a forest land acquisition issue. However, in 2018, the Modi government swiftly cleared the obstacles and expedited the project. 6 years later, this highly secure and advanced naval base is nearing completion. It is set to reshape naval power dynamics not only in the Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean region but also across the Indo-Pacific. Although the exact cost of INS Varsha remains undisclosed, estimates suggest it could reach around $3.75 billion. The base is designed to accommodate over 12 nuclear-powered submarines, including the Arihant class and the future S-5 class vessels. INS Varsha will also play a pivotal role in strengthening security cooperation with Quad partners, the United States, Japan, and Australia, while fostering technological collaborations and joint ventures with like-minded nations. Regional threats to India. India is rapidly developing its naval capabilities through a comprehensive nuclear submarine plan while closely monitoring the growing naval strength of neighboring China and Pakistan. Pakistan is working toward becoming a 50-ship force, with many of its warships and submarines being built with Chinese assistance, highlighting Beijing's intent to enhance Pakistan's naval strength. China, for its part, is set to increase its submarine fleet. By next year, China will add 5 new submarines to its current fleet of 60, raising the total to 65. This includes 6 ballistic missile submarines, SSBNs, 6 nuclear-powered attack submarines, SSNs, and 48 diesel-electric attack submarines, of which 21 are equipped with air-independent propulsion, AIP, technology. According to Navy Chief Admiral Dinesh Tripathi, India is adapting its strategies to address potential regional threats. India is in the final stages of negotiations to acquire 3 additional Kalvari-class submarines and Rafale M jets, with procurement contracts expected to be signed soon. Major warship and submarine construction programs are also underway, with the Navy on track to become a 175 warship strong force.